Hey everyone, Taylor with VSSL here. For those who are new to our X series amplifiers, today we're going to go over some tips and tricks of how to wire up your vessels and also how to install and where to place them. First, let's start with wiring. Each vessel comes with the necessary Phoenix connectors to terminate your speaker wires. Each Phoenix connector can fit up to 12 gauge speaker wire with one speaker and up to 14 gauge speaker wire when using two speakers in a single channel. First, you'll need to strip your wire about 1/4 of an inch so that it can fit within the Phoenix connector. Next, make sure you match up the positive and negatives correctly on the back of that Phoenix connector. Insert the wire into the Phoenix connector and use a flathead screwdriver to tighten. Follow that same process for all the other speaker wires, being very careful to make sure that you don't cross any of the wire threads. Once you've terminated your speaker wire, plug the Phoenix connector into the back of your vessel. Moving on from wiring, let's take a look at where and how each vessel can be placed and installed. First, because the A1X is so small and versatile, it can be placed anywhere, whether it's in the entertainment center, in your rack, or even on the wall behind a TV. The A1X actually includes a wall mounting template for installing behind your TV, or to just put it out of the way. Go ahead and grab the wall mount template included in the A1X packaging, place it up on the wall where you'd like the A1X to sit, and use that template to drill holes into your drywall. We suggest using a number 6 or number 8 drywall screw. Once the screws are placed, go ahead and hang the vessel up on the wall. You can decide to either keep or remove the magnetic feet depending on the amount of ventilation you'd like to use. Like the A1X, the A3X can also be mounted with 2 or 4 number 6 or number 8 drywall screws. If you prefer to install the A3X in a rack, go ahead and remove the 3 screws on the bottom of the unit on each side. With the same 3 screws, lock in the rack ears on either side. Finally, the A6X can also be mounted with the included rack ears. Simply remove the 4 screws on either side of the A6X and reinstall them with the rack ears. While the A6X uses 2 U of rack space, both the A1X and A3X only use 1 U. With the addition of these new integrated fans, the X series amplifiers definitely run cool. However, we do still recommend to place them in a well-ventilated area. Thanks for watching.